First of all, I convey my sincere thanks to the organizers of this RPC who have given me the opportunity to be in the midst of you all in this great afternoon. And it's told that Rangme means southerners. And typically you are in the south part of India, the Rangme, you are in the right place for your place, that is southerners. And you are in the Tamil Nadu is a land known for its hospitality, empathy and sympathy with others. Actually, 2500 years ago, a great Tamil poet, Kaniyan Pungundran, has told that Yadum Mure Avarum Keli, which means all land is my land and all are our related, all are brethren. So, you have come all the way from northeast, nearly 3000, 4000 kilometers you have come here, and you are all our brothers, and you can feel safe, you can feel free, and we are here to take care of your interest, we are here to take care of your well-being. And the theme of this meet, unknown we meet, well-known we build. It's rightly said, we are all unknown we meet, and we build well-known, and we part to meet, and again we meet to part. Thank you one and all, and you can rest assured that we are here to help you, we are here to take care of your genuine interest. You can feel safe in Tamil Nadu, and as our president and others are told, wherever we are, it's better, it's good that you have not forgotten your roots and your culture. Always it's better, though we belong to a nation called India, we are from different culture, and we have to cherish our culture. We should not forget our roots also. Again, I wish you all the best. Thank you one and all.
Good evening all. Thanks for the wonderful opportunity from Mr. Agustin. And I am very happy, glad that Mr. C. Chandrasekhar IPS, IG of Police, consented to honor this function. I am very happy my colleague, esteemed senior partner, Mr. Velmurugan, Bar Council member, that is, Bar Council member means like he will be representing almost 40,000 advocates of Tamil Nadu. Like 23 people are here to mention. When Agustin asked me, like, okay, like last 1 year back, we need a setup to take care of our brethren. So I was suggesting, like we should frame a trust or framework where, like persons like Mr. Velmurugan can throw a call, like at extreme places like Madurai or Coimbatore, wherever we need a genuine help, we can do that. I am glad that Mr. Lenin, one of my friend, he was a state president for Aam Aadmi Party, Delhi. I hope you all know that. Yeah, so there. I am happy to see Mr. B.G. Narendra Babu. I have seen these churches, my house is nearby, many times. Lucky that Jesus blessed me today, I came inside. So there is a chance to meet you all. So other dignitaries in the stage and in the congregation, so happy to see you. It's a good day for me also. I have a special affection for Northeast because of its beauty. I travelled up to Lower Raklang Valley, and I used to see the beautiful streams flowing through the side of railway track, where the trains go by 15 km speed and we see the white bubbles and the stream. The same river, when it comes to the plains, it gets into like, you know, dusty, stormy water with a lot of muds. So every human, evolution is like that, every human came from, not just monkey, from mountains also. Okay, so they came from mountains, and in the mountains are streams, they are so innocent. The same water, when it comes to down to the plains, it changes its color. So same innocence gets changed. Now, as you compare yourself with some of your brothers in Northeast, you will think what these fellows are like idiot. Okay, but the innocence keep changing. And when you come and meet people in plains, it's quite natural. You have a lot of cultural conflict, and a culture like a culture of a Tamil girl and a Ronme girl cannot be same. But my request is like you start assimilate a culture so that you understand the cultural expectation. Here Tamil girl will not give a handshake. Have you ever seen? But Ronme girl will give a handshake casual. Okay, so what I understand, appreciate is learn the culture. It is not that it is to assimilate in a better way. Okay, so we are here to take care of your genuine legal interest or any police issue, medical issue. We are there to help you as much as we can do. So I'm so happy that we are today, and skin is different, but pain is one. Okay, I can feel the pain of yours. So great to see that. So Manipur. So it's wonderful to be with you all. So nice of you. My best wishes, and keep uniting your strength. Okay, don't worry about economy. You come to the plains now. You will earn more money. Okay, thanks a lot. Keep going.
Dear sisters and brothers, and my learned Mr. Chandrasekhar, IPS Mr. Saravana Kumaran, my partner, and Mr. Lenin, and other dignitaries on the stage. And it gives a really immense pleasure among us. Culturally, we may be different, and in terms of color and various things differentiate us. But as my friend Mr. Malan Topai has said, he has written a beautiful song, and before presenting this song, he was reflecting everything what in my mind is a true reflection of every Indian, and that is the very impressive speech he has made. I don't want to add anything more or anything less than what Mr. Malan Topai said. So I second what Mr. Malan Topai, and as my friend was saying that there is a insecurity among for you in this state. You need not to worry about. This is one of the most safest state in India. I believe you are all cherishing that. And we will also assure you that even in past you may not have faced any kind of difficulty. Of course, there will be any small incidents of we will be facing that. There are in any group there will be some people, there will be good and evil coexist. So certainly that is also existing in this state also. But so far as your interest is concerned, we are here there to protect you, and we will on my behalf as well as on my other friends' behalf, I'll assure you that there will not be any problem. You sir, whenever there is we are as a brothers, we are with you. You can take it from us. We are sure. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So I have to be very honest to you today. Okay, I just gave crash to have a lunch because my friend just called me, and it just happened that it's so happy to meet you all that you guys are having a community meeting. Excuse me. So I was just asking Saravana Kumaran okay, what am I going to do? You just called me. He said, why don't you come over and see all these people? And I told him that, no, I don't want me to meet other guys because I'm very hungry, I want to have a lunch. I honestly came to here, have a lunch here only after seeing all these things. I'm literally cherished. And see, I have never traveled to the Northeast, okay? It's the first encounter with you guys, okay? And as far as I know you, I have seen you in the stores, I have seen you in the salons, I have seen you in some other workplaces, I have seen in the factories wherever you guys work and all. So I was telling my friend one of these days quite recently, see, these guys speak very good English. The standard of English is really, really high. Okay? only thing is, when I listened to the conversation of one of a friend here, he told us that they are illiterate and they are poor. I don't think so. See, the thing is, the moment you speak very quality English, that means you are literate, right? That can make you travel places, okay? I have traveled across the world. I have been to many countries in my profession. But wherever it is, nobody looks at your degrees. The moment you speak very good English and the quality of English, the standard of English make you travel places. That's the first thing I have seen and cherished with you people. Okay, that's good among you. And second thing, whatever I have seen is like whatever work you do, you guys are really professional. Say for example, when myself or one of my friends, we go to the saloon or somewhere else where we want to avail a service, if there is a Tamil guy and if there is a Northeast guy, we always go for Northeast guy because the service is so professional, okay, and we know that, okay, these guys are really good in their jobs. So the moment you are good in your job and moment you have a very good language speaking skills, you are going to make money. The future is for you guys, okay, you need not worry. I think that you are going on the right path and all of our well-wishers are here. And once again, in India, if you look at Tamil Nadu and in West Bengal, these are the two places where there is a lot of intellectual awakening before even the country got independence. Okay, and many of us in the dais, we are not here from Chennai. We are from different parts of Tamil Nadu. Of course, we are from Tamil Nadu, different parts of Tamil Nadu. We all travel here to just enjoy the professional connects what we have and then to make money and to make our lives better. And you have also done the same thing and you have done the right thing. And there is a peaceful coexistence between you guys and the local, the local presence of the other guys and other local citizens. And you gel along very well and you have a lot of well-wishers here in Tamil Nadu and your places to go. All my very best to you guys. Thank you so much.
Apparently, there is an indication that Councillor Show team needs some more time of preparation. Meanwhile, may I call upon our special guest, VC Narendra Babu.
Good afternoon. Yeah, the chief guest of this afternoon, Mr. Sri Chandrasekhar and Mr. S. Saravakumaran and other galaxy of dignitaries on the dais and my dear brothers and sisters. Once again I say good afternoon to you all. Do I look like Rangmai? What? Wrong Mai. But I'm little black, I think so. Oh my dear brothers and sisters, I really like you as a Christian friends, and we as a church member of this church, we are always with you. And my brother and Augustine and James, they are all good friends of mine. They used to call me and ask me for all the guidance, and I am used to help them always. And I am a past district governor of Lions Club. You know that our main motto is to help others and to do service for others. And once again I say you that we have Lions Blood Bank, Lions Dialysis Center and Lions Eye Bank, and whenever you want any help for anyone, you can contact me. We are there to help you. And as a church member, we are always open to you. We have a very good secretary line Y. Gunesh Kumar and our treasurer line J. Paul Singh to help you always. So, and our brothers can ask us for any function, we'll be there with you. And more than that, today our IPS officer also has promised you all that anything you want, he will also definitely do there for you.
I welcome you all in the almighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. It's a pleasure to one and all. I hope you all enjoy. We have just given an avenue by giving this church campus to you, for all of you to have a get together, enjoy, and make yourself free.
And I would like to honor Mr. Agustin.
Mr. Lion Harinder Babu.
I bring greetings of love and happiness from the office of NSCC Naga Student Union Chennai to our beloved Roma community here in Chennai. It is always our humble prayer and our wish to see our brothers and sisters coming together like this in a small gathering. And today, you all have proved us that we are always united home away from home. And today, I'm standing here on behalf of the Naga Student Union Chennai as a representative to tell you that we will always be there for you, we love you, and will always work together with you in future. If you see the present situation, we Nagas are at a very crucial juncture where many things are happening back at home. However, we want to bring you a very good news that NUCC will always work together to bring our people together here in Chennai, wherein we can all celebrate together as brothers and sisters without looking into any consideration. We will always work together to bring all of us together. And I'm here to also bring for you a very good news for all the Nagas in Chennai that we are going to celebrate our first annual Naga meet on the 90th of October 2019 in the presence of our Honorable Member of Parliament, Dr. Lord Raffles. So, on behalf of the Office of the Naga Student Union Chennai, on behalf of the Naga Student Union Chennai and the Naga in general, I welcome and invite all of you to come and partake in our first annual day com for the first Naga Student Union Chennai Freshers Day. And your presence will be highly solicited and will always be looking forward to be seeing you in the program. So once again, I give my warmest greetings to the organizers of this very gathering. Also from the part of the Naga Student Union Chennai, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our CSI church member for having accommodated our brothers and sisters in your gathering. Thank you so much. We have nothing to give you, but I hope and believe even in near future we'll be collaborating together to work along. Thank you all of you, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Amazing Zin. Hallelujah. Ramai sai pangkau ara dilam yitu biko. Nani urna wong kadoi lam itia serem ramgoi di het mai sai zuzu wong pene ni khachini ngom ge. Nani raum pangtan zin la na wong tong he ni to tungku we. Dewa kha samlam mai la to na ho ara so ngam ge ki po. Chennai khau bam ma hau na bami sel wong khau. Ani man sai pang Chennai khau ti kai pho tui tha, sai pang thau kai pho tui tha. Ton thau kai khang ton thau kai ta ni. Nani 16 mo yo. Vishu na tha. Ton na ka pe pala mai kai ma hai ni bang ni. Bam ka si thang ma sai ma hai. Ki tho man sai pang lering sam khang tu ko noi ti tho ho. Kai yo na kyo. Hai pu bam ma Chennai is a city of opportunity. I don't know how many people know this, but Chennai is growing, it is booming, it's a booming IT company, IT place. Not only that, just because of the fact that we have a lot of IT companies developing here in Chennai, so not only IT professionals, but also people who are not able to jump into IT companies can also work in other fields. Now they are doing that. But know for sure that you have a lot of opportunities, but opportunity is not going to come knocking at your door. You have to look for it, right? There were จะเล่นร้องตรงนำลำกระนิ่มอิชูกันหน่อยให้ท่านที่คงสู้กันเดียวไม่ช่วยหน่อยตัวท่าแต่ผมว่านี่ลงคะแนนชนะนี่ลงไม่ลงคะแนนชนะแตกแสกแสงกับไม่นะลงพริ้วงั้นนี่ลงไม่ลงคะแนนชนะพูดลงนี่ผมว่าลงก็ไม่ตัวท่าแต่ว่านี่นาราไม่อินดิเพนเดนต์ของตอนมาไหมตอนไม่ตัวไม่เกี่ยววงนี่ไม่เขาต่อยไม่ด้วยกับวงไม่สู้ตัวไม่ห้องกี่เขาอันนี้วงขาดนั่นฉะนั้นจับงามังบางกันเขาว่าวงให้ตัวไม่ตรงงานเราตัวท่าอันนี้เราเท่าหรือสิ่งนี้บอก public จับมือจะต้องเขา politician บางรณีก็ไม่ท่านุ่มแกนบางรณีอันนี้เรารู้สึกเนี่ยก็มากันเขาอันนี้แต่รันจับมังบางกันเขาไม่อิชูวงเราท่านี่กับบอยเดท่านนะนี่
My name is Gan Gang Mai. I'm from Manipur. I'm working in HDI.
Dần với gai bị sinh quan rồi chân giải rồi
Dần với bông thổ lũng bà mày phải ai Manipur Korea trong giang village bà mày tao xuân lối là college cầu bì tại cái hôm nay.
Hi, good evening. My good name is Nema Gonmai, and I'm currently pursuing my BA in Sociology in Stella Maris College. Thank you.
Mọi người nên tự gai mình xin băng. Anh chẳng biết là Don Tuwe, là full name của là Don Sava Tuwe. Ruộng cái dẫn của là thuốc polo mà hay. Thì bùi mấy dẫn của xuân là polo ấy. Bùi là bùi cũng là posting. Ta là ba mấy cái họ cũng là bùi mấy bùi doctor rồi là cũng là polo của là dẫn hay ruộng mấy dẫn ấy polo có cái như tôi nghe thì bùi mấy dẫn khác của polo mình ta cũng sẽ càng tìm đúng không đấy. Nhưng mà ai hay nôn mấy thế long mai bazar mấy thế mà trong church nó town of teachers town hay HPI họ NTX New Testament nó cũng mà tất cả nó mấy mà một cái này cũng mà cũng phải là thank you.
Dẫn rồi somewhat gang này họ đấy ai ta mang long district của thế Manipur Kopum area rồi long trong thế so ai ni apa main thế kau cái gan này Bible study ta cái sama con.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Zagreya Paumai. I'm from Manipur, Antamelong, Lone district, Lumba subdivision, Pilon village. Thank you.
Regarding the guy meeting, as I read, we are not the Gawe, we are not the Gamai, Lone district, and Falpai.
Hello, gai bị đi lên phát sinh mà ai hay cái này còn nó mày đi cùng rồi là cùng tăng thế ai cái này còn mày đi cùng rồi là cùng tăng thế cái mà dần rồi là lính sưởi đồ rèm mày của tao ấy cái mà cái family của mày thế thế là cái đồng family thế thế là cái đồng family là cái quỳ thế cái dần rồi là đồ sùng liều là cầu thế mà thằng mày là su rèn liều là cầu thế lao lên mày là gai sùi liều là cầu ấy cái là lòng của mày ta nhưng mà ai vong mày là đúng tao xuống nó vong mày sai ra cái con nó đấy nhưng mà ai Manipur của mày ấy mà Manipur của vong thì là làm cùng bắt quanh của vong gì ấy không có thể.
My name is Jacob Liuka. I'm from Solomon Village, Manipur.
Miss Fresher and Mr. Fresher. Là nó declare rồi không thế? Đấy thế. Tôi có thấy mua là ta có mình còn gần gai thì lắm không ta. Azan thay những bằng máy gần thế. Azan hay gai reaction cả máy thế. Ấy có mà ai hay Singapore village tao xiêm subdivision thì Singapore cái dạng rồi nào. Tao xiêm subdivision không mấy thế Tamanglong district. Manipur không mấy thế. Man tao hay ai Senoi Nagar, Amin Tigray, Senoi Nagar, Apurao Garden ni, không thể nào bám cũng thế. Nếu có mà ai ta nó có mấy rồi là có mà healthcare khát khẩu mà ta ở may, không có thể ngoài là rồi.
May
นี้อันนี้ไว้รวมไม่นั้นนั่งไว้ไม่ไว้นะตูจังนั่นไหนล่าคังตัวนั้นสูไม่กันเขาเชียนกับข้าไม่กันเขาลุงนิ่งได้นะรวมไม่นั้นนั่งคังตีเล่ามองหนุ่มมาไกลตัวนั้นลุงนิ่งก็ได้นะตีเล่าไม่ปูขัด brother อะไรนะติ้งกุมปะไดนั่นไม่นะโบ35 rupees ทำไมต้อง contribution เนี่ยตีเราเว้ยไม่เห็นไปนะนักถูกไหมผมนะโบทำไมได้เขากระบังกังเราตอนนั้นไอ้เก่านี้โบมิสเตอร์โบทำไมให้ไอเซียนกับข้านะตะบันตะเกปะวงอาจารย์กี่ฮีเราจนสานาตัวชนะแต่สาติกีตัวชนะเจ้าแต่สาติกีอาจารย์กี่ฮีเราจนสานาจนนั้น just I would like to highlight when we were having a contribution for this function, when I was going from home to home for the collection, his mother gave him 30 rupees for chocolate when the recess time to be eaten. Then he said, uncle, please write my name also because I want to give this 30 rupees. He gave me. So I would congratulate him and we thank him. This is an example, like he's just 4 or 5 years old. This is how I would like to thank him. Let's thank him and give a round of applause. ก็มาทั้งเขาbrother James พอไม่ก็ไกลไปกระสานเก่าหนังมานาเก่าประเทศอะไรในการโลไม่ให้ไปนัสประเราพัฒนวย everybody must be wondering why Augustine is holding and giving this to her. Anyone can guess what must be the reason? What must be the reason? For the past 2 years, we are celebrating here. We are getting whole. We are in the AC room. We are protected from sun and rain. It is through her. Kakurite. Tawkaram tulang so. Narendra Babu Sata. Anyo learning ko kamari. She is the one who always come to our leaders and say, please be with the Narendra Babu so you will be benefited. She is the one who always guides us. So let us give her a round of applause. ก็ไม่ได้รังไว้นะใส่เข้าไป relationship ของเราไม่ให้แม้อะไรเรื่องของเราตรงนี้ทำไมอาการไปนะหมู่เราเด็กโคทำไมไงก็น่ารองไม่ปุยนนอาการคำกายนี่ไม่นายไทยไม่กบไปตรง relationship build ส่วนนี้ไม่ให้ก็กันกับพวกเราแต่ถ่ายเราตรงไทยตรงโคไทยก็นะ next I call upon เกษตรหน้าอนานาการเกษตรหน้าอนานาการให้เห็นนี่ไม่ไหวนะถ้าเราจะว่าตะกุยสุดที่นั่นเจ้าทำไมหายหลังบางคนที่เฮาคงเท practice บางคนที่เฮาคงเทเกลลาตะหลังแล้วคนที่เฮาคงไม่หลังไม่ครั้งมันก็ตะกุยสุดที่นั่นให้ตีเราตรงโซ่ทำไมน้องครับเจ้าก็มาไม่ให้ใส่เดาdonation แต่ว่ากลางเขาที่เสริมกระแสน่ะตู้ผ้าจังผ้ามองหนุ่มมันก็ตู้เหลี่ยมนี่นั่นเด็ดนะมาจะใส่นับวันเหลี่ยมแต่นับแป้งเท่าวันบางวันแต่เต่าก็รีบมันออกคนมันเนี่ยที่เสริมกระแสก็จะจีบวันแล้วตรงนี้ถึงเราจะชมพูไทยทำไมตีไก่เลี้ยงไม่คุยไทยไม่ให้แม่ใครได้ไทยเราตัวลงนิ่งได้เลี้ยงไม่คุยให้หลวงไม่ขอท้องพูไทยสิเสริม
ngay mai lung ninh đại mày nấn đại cũng bao lâu nên first call SK ta si liu vàเราkhông bủa bằng mầm ta second call redemption cái gì liu Makam dukan Jessica kata palabu obesan gai la rai กระแสนะปาเราตัวเราที่สัตว์ก็ทุนนักไอ้นะลุงนิ่งกันที่ปาเราตัวก็มา repeat จุดนี้แท้ครั้งRoni kama.
Karena posisi itu di lawan itu kamu kan.
Bandik doang, kalau saya Roni kama. Aku mau saya kum hati saat kesiang kai miha. 600 piece
kesiang. As to what word should I just plant within these people? There are many words in this world that people promise and they cannot fulfill or stand to their promises. But we have a God who stands to his promises, and whatever circumstances you may be.
Let's all close our eyes. If possible, we can lift our hands towards the heaven and let's all say to Jesus Christ that I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided follow Jesus, no turning back, no
Cha nai ram phan tuan khao cài luang ran akat na ye mai non khao ring puan dui ra cài ran ca guai ning chau na a giang si chinh lao nạp miền mai quan lưu quang pu khao into luan bang pu in roi con gai mai roi ca gang bam kun me luang bút ca guai kha ning chau Allow dau tali lau pui ram ariu dat ni yeru brian guai kai luang ran khao ta
Quy nang xuang lâu mai na tuang ri pat na tam san pat ni ku mai quay na nay la na nuôi mai khoan trái ruồi luang quay cả ghen nghe
dinh ngày khiam cày mai hậu khâu hậu ni cứ mẹ a cày luôn cha ring ding nghe nắng giao ban hầu gai mây tay liền lâu anh yêu chuê a lâu ta nắng giang liên nghe tiếng phút căn lên đam mê anh ra buồn nắng ta thoáng nê ram ca guai na giao phút kia cha ring ding nghe nắng giao ban hầu gai mây tay liền lâu anh yêu chuê a lâu ta nắng giang liên nghe gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ trang loan gai mây khao gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng trang loan gai mây khao tiếng phút căn lên đam mê anh ra buồn nắng ta thoáng nê ram ca guai na giao phút kia cha ring ding nghe nắng giao ban hầu gai mây tay liền lâu anh yêu chuê a lâu ta nắng giang liên nghe gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ trang loan gai mây khao gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng trang loan gai mây khao gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ trang loan gai mây khao gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ trang loan gai mây khao gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng trang loan gai mây khao gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng trang loan gai mây khao nắng giao ban hầu gai mây tay liền lâu anh yêu chuê a lâu ta nắng giang liên nghe tiếng phút căn lên đam mê anh ra buồn nắng ta thoáng nê ram ca guai na giao phút kia cha ring ding nghe nắng giao ban hầu gai mây tay liền lâu anh yêu chuê a lâu ta nắng giang liên nghe gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ trang loan gai mây khao gai bao thay lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng khao bằng nhẹ gai bao dài lâu wo cả gan chỉ năng trang loan gai mây khao tiếng phút căn lên đam mê anh ra buồn nắng ta thoáng nê ram ca guai na giao phút kia cha